Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting and Crocheting channel. In this video tutorial I want to show you the fourth kitchen towel that I've done. If you like all my kitchen towels, you can find them on my blog, the written instruction, and also video tutorial on my YouTube channel. So in total, 4 kitchen towels. Perfect gift for the Easter, and in general it's a perfect gift. For this towel I was using a yarn that I was previously also used. It's a yarn from the Dollarama, crafty, easy knit. It has 70 grams, but you will need about 45 grams for this towel. And it is a cotton blend. You can use a 100% cotton, and the weight is medium. I was using 4.5 millimeters knitting needles. I was using circular. You can also use straight. Basically, that's it. If you are ready, let's get started. Using long tail cast on method and 4.5 millimeters knitting needles, cast on 41 stitches. The central pattern has to be multiple of 4 plus 1 extra stitch and plus 2 selvage stitches, and from right side and from the left side we will have a border, 3 stitches on the right side and 3 stitches on the left side. But the central stitch pattern has to be multiple of 4 plus 1 extra stitch and of course plus 2 selvage stitches, and we start knitting all stitches, slip the first stitch and knit all other stitches till the end. Please go on. At the end, the very last stitch, we will always purl it. Turn, and we go on knitting in garter stitch. So slip the first stitch and again knit all stitches across. So knit all stitches till the end and then knit 4 or 5 more rows in garter stitch. So just knitting all stitches, and I will see you after. So I've done in total 7 rows, 6 is also great. And let's start the main pattern. So slip the first stitch, then 3 stitches of the border, knit 3. After that we start knitting the main pattern. It is knit 1, purl 3. And again repeat, knit 1, purl 3. I will knit this row with you. Knit 1, purl 3. Knit 1, purl 3. Knit 1, purl 3. Please go on repeating till the end until you have 5 stitches. Now when you have 5 stitches, you remember we did one extra stitch, so we knit one. After that, 3 stitches of the border. We will always knit them on the wrong and on the right side, knit 3 and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn. Row number 2 of the main pattern and all even rows after will be the same. Slip the first stitch, knit 3. Now purl all stitches of the central part or until you have 4 stitches. Go on, knit until the end. And at the end, when you have 4 stitches, knit 3, the border again, and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn. Row number 3 will be the same as row number 1. Absolutely the same. Slip the first stitch, knit 3. After that, the main stitch pattern, knit 1, purl 3. Knit 1, purl 3. And again, knit 1, purl 3. Please go on knitting till the end. At the end, you remember we have 1 extra stitch, knit 1, then knit 3 and purl. Of course I can say knit 4, but I say knit 1, then knit 3 and purl the last selvage stitch. Slip the first stitch and row number 4 will be the same as row number 2, knit 3. After that, purl all stitches in the center. Till the end. At the end again, knit 3 and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn. Row number 5. Slip the first stitch, again knit 3. And here we will change a little bit the pattern. Purl 2, knit 1, purl 1. And that's what we are going to repeat. Purl 2, knit 1, purl 1. Let's do it again. Purl 2, knit 1, purl 1. Purl 2, knit 1, purl 1. Purl 2, knit 1, purl 1. Please go on. At the end, we did purl 1, knit 1, now purl 1, and last extra stitch also purl it. After that, knit 3 and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn. Row number 6 as row number 2. Slip, knit 3 and purl all other stitches across until you have 4 stitches on your needles. At the end, knit 3 and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn. Row number 7 will be again the same as row number 5. Slip the first stitch, knit 3, and now purl 2, knit 1, purl 1, and repeat again. Purl 2, knit 1, purl 1. And you see already this beautiful stitch pattern. Purl 2, knit 1, purl 1. Please go on repeating till the end. And at the end, we did purl 2, knit 1, now purl 1. At the end, we have one extra stitch, purl it as well. After that, knit 3 and purl the last selvage stitch. In the last row, row number 8 will be the same as all even rows. Slip the first stitch, knit 3 and purl all other stitches. Till the end. At the end, the border knit 3 and purl the last selvage stitch. That's it. Now you're going to repeat the pattern from the first row after the border that we did in garter stitch. So let me show you the first row. Slip the first stitch, knit 3, and now knit 1, purl 3, and again knit 1, purl 3, knit 1, purl 3. Go on repeating, finish this row and repeat this 8 rows as many times as you want. At the end, knit 6 or 7 rows in garter stitch, and I will show you how we will bind all stitches. So here I am, that's what I have now. And if you did 7 rows at the beginning, I suggest you, for example, knit first row of the main pattern, and on the wrong side start already knitting the first row of the border. So instead of purling all stitches, you knit all stitches, and this will be your first row of the border, and after that knit 6 more, so in total 7. If you did 6 rows, just start whenever you want, I mean on the right side, knitting 6 rows in garter stitch. In this video tutorial, I want to show you how to bind off using an Icelandic or Scandinavian bind off method. It's perfect method for the garter stitch, but if you don't want to follow me, just bind off all stitches as you know. So insert the needle as if to purl, then insert the needle as if to knit into the second stitch and knit the second stitch. Let's do it again. So you insert the needle as if to purl into the first stitch, then insert the needle as if to knit into the second stitch, and you knit it, pulling yarn between 2 stitches and drop both stitches of the needle. After that, return stitch to the left hand needle and repeat again. Insert as if to purl, after that as if to knit the second stitch and drop both stitches of the needle and return, as if to purl, as if to knit, knit and drop, return, and let's repeat. If I'm doing it too fast, there is a separate video. It calls Scandinavian bind off method. Check it on my YouTube channel. If you don't like it, you are free to use any bind off method you know. Also, you can do it on the wrong side. I mean, start doing on the wrong side. And return. Please go on and finish, and I will see you after. Here I am, guys. So that's it, cut the yarn. Here is the border, really beautiful one, and it's not stretchy, not too much. Weave in all ends, and the towel is ready. Cut the yarn, and it's ready. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Please find other kitchen towels tutorial on my blog. There will be a written instruction, and also you can buy a ads-free pattern for all of 4 kitchen towel together. I wish you a good day. Bye.